Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you still find it difficult playing your handbass on keyboard? In this very tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play handbass on keyboard part 4. One of my subscribers requested that I break it down further so that he will understand. So in this very tutorial, I'm going to break it down further, how to start it, so that you don't get confused. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do it to like, subscribe and share. First off, you have to know that if you want to play your bass, you have to maintain the root chords. Don't worry about the chords on the right. You have to maintain the notes on the left. That's, for example, if the person is on Do, just maintain the octave. No, this is your Do to Do. Then you can add your Saw, because Saw is part of the Do, the full chord of the Do. Then you can add your Saw in between. Hope you're getting it. I'm trying to make it very simple. Assuming someone is playing, let me play a song. You deserve glory. You see, I'm maintaining the and the honor, octave to octave. You're me. I lift my hands to worship as I bless your holy name. You deserve glory. This is just a sample. Just maintain. Don't go and do too much. You understand? As a beginner, you can just maintain. You deserve the glory. First of all, I'm doing this on the key of F. Your F chord. So just maintain the notes on your left and you'll be good. The progression of this is very simple. You deserve glory, Do. And the honor, this your me. Ali, your Fa, in worship, pray your Re. As I bless, back to your Fa. La, Sol, then your Do. Let me keep it simple. You deserve glory and the honor, you're me. I lift my hands to your Fa as I bless your holy name. You deserve. Back to your, that's your Do, your me, your Fa, your Re, your Saw, your Do. Hope you're getting something. So you don't have to do too much on your left. Just maintain your octaves. You know, this is your Do to Do. You can play the full chord on the right. On your left, just maintain the chord. You deserve a glory. See how I space my hand so that you will see it. And the honor. Hands to worship as I bless your holy name. You deserve glory and the honor. Lord, I lift my hands to worship as I bless your holy name. You are great. So I just kept it simple so that you get it. With this, I hope the guy will be okay, because I wasn't doing too much in this very song. I just maintaining the octave of the song, because most people complain that in my previous series in this very how to play your bass on keyboard, that I do too much, so they told me to break it down further. So that's what I'm doing. You deserve glory and the honor. Very simple. Lord, I lift my hands to worship. I bless your holy name. You deserve glory. Same thing. And the honor. with this is more simpler and is clear. So thank you guys. I'm going to bring more series about this how to play your bass on keyboard. So for this very song I just played, it's just your Do for the beginners, simple way to play it. And your Mi. Wait, let me break it down for you. On your left, just play your octave, your Do. On your right, you play your full chord, which is your So, Do, Re, Mi, So. Then break it down. So, Do, Re, Mi, So. You deserve a glory. And the second part is your Mi to Mi. Then on your right, you play your So, Ti. You deserve glory. To play your So, your Ti, your Re, your Mi, your So. If you cannot play this, you can just play your Mi. It's still same thing. So you deserve glory and the honor. Let me keep it simple. Lord, I lift my hands to worship. Your Fa to Fa, then your right is your La Do Fa. But I lift my hands to worship. I say your Re to Re, on your right is your La, Re, Fa. Praise your holy name. Your So to So, on your right is your Ti, Re, So. You deserve glory, same thing, same progression for the second verse. So let me play it, then we call it a tutorial. You deserve glory in the earth. Keeping it simple. But I lift my hands to worship as I this is how to play your bass on keyboard the simplest way. Please guys, if you want to subscribe to this very channel, please do it to like, subscribe, share, comment. God bless.